Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your AirPods Pro. First, ensure both AirPods are securely placed inside their charging case. Close the lid completely and wait for about 30 seconds. After this brief pause, open the lid and connect the case to a power source using a lightning cable. This initial step prepares your AirPods for the reset process, ensuring they are in the correct state before proceeding to disconnect them from your devices. It's a simple but crucial starting point. Next, you'll need to remove your AirPods Pro from any previously paired devices. On your iPhone or iPad, navigate to the Settings application and then tap on Bluetooth. Locate your AirPods Pro in the list of devices and tap the small eye icon next to their name. From there, select Forget this device and confirm your choice when prompted. This action ensures a clean slate, preventing any old connections from interfering with the reset. Now, let's perform the physical reset. With the charging case lid still open, locate the small, circular setup button on the back of the case. Press and hold this button firmly for approximately 15 seconds. Keep holding until the status light on the front of the case begins to flash amber, then changes to white. This sequence indicates that your AirPods Pro are successfully resetting to their factory default settings, clearing all previous pairings. Finally, it's time to reconnect your freshly reset AirPods Pro. With the charging case lid open and your AirPods inside, simply bring the case close to your iPhone or iPad. A setup animation should appear on your device's screen. Follow the straightforward on-screen instructions to pair them again. Once completed, your AirPods Pro will be fully reset and ready for use, just like they were when you first unboxed them, offering a fresh start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.